Alright, this is a demonstration on how to undo the Atto. Step 1, push the little red button and let the tiller drop out to the front. Step 2, push the big red button, tilt it forward and then let the back drop out. Step number 4 is to come down to the handle, slide this slider to lock the handle, click it right over, pull it back and the seat's now up. Now we need to raise the seat, so we grab the handle again and we lift up vertically. We let the handle go and now it's clicked into place. We come to the hand grips and we just lift them up with our hand and they slot into place, spring loaded. That's how you put the Atto together. Now to pull it apart, to put it back together, we do the reverse. So let's put the hand grips down, step 1. Step 2, come to the back, lift the handle up and let it drop. Okay, let the handle drop and bring it up again and then fold it down in front of you. Let the handle go backwards. Now we need to bring it together. So the next step is to come down to the front and release the bar that holds the tiller steady. The next step is to grab the handle at the base of the scooter and holding with my left hand onto the front grip, my right hand onto the handle at the base, bending over, careful that my back foot is not in the way of the wheel, the back wheel that is, because it's going to come forward. And then I just lift it up towards me, towards my face, and it comes together. I let that handle drop down, I get the tiller, which I'm still holding onto, and I click it in. Just bring it backwards and it will click into place. And then to separate it, let me just show you that. You go to these black bars, you get your thumb and your forefinger and you just lift them up vertically. You do the same to the one on the other side. Lift the black plastic up vertically. Then we go to the red button. We push the red button down and then we pull away the skinny front section of the scooter. Now you have this part, that's about 14 kilos, and you have the back part, there's a handle there, that's about 13 kilos. There's also a hand grip at the bottom of it if you needed to get down low. I'd recommend that, save your back. You can get one hand down on the base in that handle area and have the other hand up here on the top one. Putting it back together, I'll just show you that. Put that back in its original position. I spun it around so you could see it. So it's back in its original position. You've got these two slots here, metal slots, and you've got here on this piece, you have the rounded pieces of metal here and here. They're going to line up inside here. What we need to do is we bring it together as close as you can, and then we just need to lift it up slightly and bring them together. Put the black plastic bars down, and now it's locked together. And that's it. Happy holidays.
And just show how you make it into a trolley.
Okay. So the one other thing I'll show, Eva wants me to show the trolley. The trolley is push this little red button, let that go forward or give it a little bit of a gentle encouragement. Bring the middle handle across. Now you've got to line it up to make sure it's in line, and you just push the tiller in and it clicks into place. It's straightforward, it's pretty much common sense, that part. If you did want to put it in trolley mode, I would recommend that to keep it away from your feet, it's better to increase the length of the tiller. There's just a simple latch here that you swing out and you can just lift this up, let it go, and it locks it into place. And then I can now wheel that away at some distance from my feet.